Hello, everyone. This is Ved, and today I'm going to show you how you can download my DBMS project, like the site from my GitHub account, and then implement it in your own device to see the front end and the back end part of it. I'm going to tell you how you can merge the front end and the back end through XAMPP. And for this, we will be needing three things: MySQL, XAMPP, and Git Bash. So we have uninstalled all three from our devices completely so that I can show you the step-by-step process of downloading it and implementing it. So first of all, we are going to download MySQL. We're going to need MySQL in our device. So just search MySQL, go to MySQL official page, go to their downloads. Downloads, scroll down, MySQL community guidelines, downloads, community downloads. Then MySQL installer for Windows. Click on here. Here the two files are there, just 331 MB. Download it. You don't need to log in or sign up for it. Just say no thanks, just start my download. It will be downloading started, but I have already downloaded like the installer, so that's why it is coming as one. So I'm not going to download it again. So just go to your downloads. After downloading, you will have the files in your downloads. Just I have downloaded it like this. This is the one. Double click on it. Will start installing. Let me install it. Because this just press yes for every administrative thing it asks you to do. Go to custom. Next. MySQL server, 8.3.6. Take it as application, workbench, take it to the right. MySQL shell, 8.2, take it to the right. You need only these three, not these. Documentation and router is not required. Just press next. Then it says ready to install. Just press execute. It will start installing. Let it install and wait. Installing. Till that, I'm gonna pause my video so that it install and I will come back again. Okay. Okay, now as you can see, my installation is complete. I will go to next. Ready to configure next. This is the thing you special. If you have previously installed MySQL and then uninstalled it and then installing it again like myself, then there is going to be a error, like there is going to be a warning here that you are installing it again in the file, because after uninstalling, this is not for the people who are installing it first time. Those who are installing it second or third time, you have to go to Windows C and then program files. And then from here, this MySQL you would have already created, you have to delete this, and you have to delete from program data also this MySQL file. Listen carefully. For the first time users, you don't have to delete this. This is created for your first time. I'm telling who is going to install it again for those only. Next. Now click, just forget whatever I said, just click next. If you're doing it for the first time, use strong password, press next. MySQL root password. Type any password you would like. I will type BABUOP007 and I will put it again BABUOP007, and then it's saying weak, doesn't matter. Start the MySQL setup as standard. Okay, just next. Yes, next. Execute everything. Now let it execute. Then we will finish. Okay, it's finished. Now just finished. Just next. And you're good to go. But there's one more thing that you need to do right now. Here MySQL bench open, terminal open, but to use it in your terminal, like this is the MySQL.exe shell. This is MySQL shell. Okay, like this is this thing. If you press MySQL, then Workbench, and this is the shell. This thing was the MySQL shell. But if you want to use MySQL through, say, terminal, so if you type MySQL here, it will give you localhost error or anything. So just what you have to do, go here, go to C, program files, go to MySQL server, bin. Inside bin, copy this path, click here. The path will be copied. Or another way to copy is go here, bin, right click on bin and press copy as path. Your path is copied. Now open your settings. Let me open my settings. In your settings, search for variables. Now there's two types, system environmental variables and environmental variables for your account or for your user. But you have to do for the system. So system environmental variables, click. This will open. Now click on the environmental variables. This will open. This is for user. You don't need to edit that. You need system in variables. In system variables, go to search for path. Where is path? Here is path. Path edit. Now these are the different parts of different files I have done. I have already done this system environmental variables. So I don't need to do it again. You can do it by pressing new and just control pasting it. But since I already have, so I won't do it. So just press OK and OK. And now, OK. So now you are good to go. So now you just have to open your terminal. There is my terminal. Here it is. Just press on terminal and just type MySQL. Previously, if you did you type MySQL, then some error came. Yes, because you have to type system variables you have to set. Okay, mine was set. Then after setting system variables, type MySQL slash, not slash space, then dash u space root space dash p. Root is the user here and p is the password we will be giving. Put the password that you just put right now. Like I put Babu P007, which told me that it was a weak password, but that weak password even can open this my MySQL. Okay, so we are done with the MySQL setup. You can show databases here and the different queries you can put in this, like if you have made databases. Okay, this is the system database already present in MySQL. So you can create new database and all, whatever the query you going to learn in your college and everything. So I'm just going to exit MySQL. So this was the MySQL setup. Now I will be doing the Git bash setup and the XAMPP server setup. So for that, I'm not going to continue in this video. I will pause recording and start another one. So that's all.